I've been wearing this makeup all day and it's going on 9 p.m. and I had to go to work at 12:30. So I've had this makeup on all day. It's not really, obviously it's an everyday makeup, but you can see that I do get oily. Going from oily face to a new face without having to take up all of my makeup. Let's do it. Oh, also this hair too. You know when you get home and your hair's been in a tight ponytail all day, and when you get home you finally just let it loose and you just stroke your fingers through your scalp and you grab your scalp, you know what I mean? Do you know that? You know that feeling? It's bomb, right? Well, I don't need to put foundation on, so what I'm gonna do is do my eyebrows because I did not do eyebrows today for work. So I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. Go from crazy looking oily like Crisco chicken grease, and then you go just to looking fresh. We're gonna do this together. Dang, I'm oily. Look at that oil. Look at my hair. Oh, we gotta hurry this up. We're gonna move on. This grease is really giving me don't need no hateration, holler. It's giving me hater vibes. We don't need that. I guess we're gonna move on to the eyes. We can't move on to the face until we get the eyes done, so we're gonna be greasy for another 10 minutes or so. Paint Pot by MAC and Layin Low, and we're gonna lay that down on the lids. So now that we got that laid, I'm going to be using my Morphe Brushes and James Charles palette. I don't care what nobody says, okay? That palette didn't do nothing to nobody. It didn't do nothing to nobody, okay? And here on this channel, we forgive people. So the top that I have on this off the shoulder, this is what it looks like. This is the color of the top. We're going to try to mirror the same color. For my transition shade, I'm going to be using 10% off. And I'm using my Morphe brush in M503. I never really give this information, but for some of you that may want to know, girl, this is what we doing. Now with this shadow, like I said in the other one that I did using this palette, you want to make sure that you don't exactly treat it like a regular shadow. You have to start out by just kind of patting it and setting it in its place, because it's more of a pressed powder type of feel. You just want something there so that you have a smooth transition. Girl, not with this grease on your face. Yeah, no, girl, all you gotta do is put a bag of chicken on your face and shake it up.
Deep fry. Hey, my face can deep fry some chicken right now. I'm telling you, some Crisco chicken grease.
No beans, and I'm gonna add that on top of my transition color. I really like using transition colors and transition shades because by the time you get ready to place another shade on top of the transition shade, it's like a gradual, you start to see the shades and different colors gradually change, and it's gradual. It's not harsh. So I'm going to take a flat brush, any type of flat brush really, any brush that looks flat, just take a flat brush, and we're going to go right back into No Beans, and we're going to place it all over the lid. And I'm just going to pat it all over my lid, just like this. I'm gonna go into my crease again, and I'm gonna use Benny. Benny is the deeper brown color that sits right above Spooky in the palette. I would grab it and show you. Should I grab it and show? You guys kill me, because you want to see everything.
I just want to be lazy and do things lazily, but I can't.
I'm just playing. I'm just kidding. This, so far, what I've been using, what I use for my transition shade, I use the 10% off code James, and now I'm getting ready to use Benny. At least this goes to show that you can master a look. Oh, how does that look? That you can, I was gonna say that you can master a look without using a gazillion different brushes, but maybe I should have used another brush. Do you see the mess? Is it a mess? Is it a mess? Is this eye look good enough, or is it just like blah? I don't got time. Okay, we're gonna move on. I'm saying I don't got time like I got somewhere to go. I don't have nowhere to go. On to the good stuff. We're gonna get rid of this. We're literally getting rid of this Crisco greasiness. Do you see that? Say goodbye, Crisco grease. That chicken don't stand a chance. I'm gonna be warming up using my L'Oreal True Match in the shade KoKo. Song stuck in my head, and I just can't wait to be king. You already know. What's the only blush I use until I get a new blush that I haven't found time to do yet, right? My Milani baked blush in red Vino that I've had for like 30 years. I'm going to be using my Gerard Cosmetics, Star Powders, and Lucy. Morphe Brushes setting spray. I'll come back to you with my lashes and my hair done and the lip shade. So I'm back, you guys, with my bun, okay? Slightly laid edges. Nice little top knot situation. Eyelashes are on. I'm using my KoKo lashes in Queen Bee. What we're gonna do together is the lips. The ColourPop and Ellarie collaboration in Ellarie, and I'm going to use Sessy. Here's Ellarie. Just kind of going with the theme of this top, you know what I'm saying? Sessy. I think it's because I'm tired. I'm really tired. I'm going to grab my highlight and I'm going to bring back my Cupid's bow. Okay guys, this is the end of my look. We started out with Crisco Grease face and we were able to salvage the look, okay? Before I get ready to go in the bathroom and take it all back off.
You kinda feel like you're tryna get away from me. If you do, I won't move. I ain't just cry for no reason. I ain't just pray for no reason.
Okay guys, that's it for this video. I want you to go ahead and do me a favor. When you are done watching this video, because I'm assuming that you liked it, you enjoyed it, I want you to go ahead and slap that subscribe button, and I want you to hit the notification bell right beside it so that way you are notified of all of my future videos. And don't forget to comment when you are all done. See you in my next video.